Franchise Your Business by Mark Siebert is a comprehensive guide designed to help business owners understand the process of expanding their business through franchising. Siebert, a seasoned franchise consultant, offers practical advice and a step-by-step approach for those looking to take their successful business model and scale it through franchising. The book covers everything from the initial decision to franchise, to the development of franchise systems, to managing and growing the franchise network. The book begins by addressing the fundamental question: is your business ready to franchise? Siebert emphasizes that not every successful business is suited for franchising. He outlines the key characteristics that make a business franchise ready, such as a proven and profitable business model, strong brand identity, and the ability to be replicated in different locations. He also stresses the importance of having the financial resources and organizational capacity to support a franchise network. Once a business owner determines that franchising is the right path, Siebert delves into the process of preparing the business for franchising. This involves creating a detailed franchise plan, which includes the development of a franchise prototype, an operations manual, and a comprehensive training program for franchisees. Siebert highlights the importance of standardizing business operations to ensure that franchisees can replicate the business model successfully. This includes everything from product and service delivery to customer service standards and marketing strategies. Another critical aspect of franchising covered in the book is legal compliance. Siebert provides an overview of the legal requirements involved in franchising, such as the creation of a franchise disclosure document, FDD, and compliance with federal and state regulations. He advises business owners to work closely with franchise attorneys to ensure that all legal aspects are properly addressed. This section of the book is particularly valuable as it helps business owners navigate the complex legal landscape of franchising, which can be daunting for those unfamiliar with it. Siebert also discusses the financial implications of franchising, including the costs involved in setting up a franchise system and the potential revenue streams from franchise fees and royalties. He explains how to structure the financial model to be attractive to potential franchisees while ensuring that it is profitable for the franchisor. This includes determining the right franchise fee, ongoing royalty fees, and any other costs that may be involved, such as marketing fees or training fees. One of the most valuable parts of the book is Siebert's advice on finding and selecting the right franchisees. He emphasizes that the success of a franchise system largely depends on the quality of the franchisees. Siebert provides tips on how to attract potential franchisees, what to look for in franchise candidates, and how to conduct effective interviews and assessments. He also discusses the importance of building strong relationships with franchisees and providing them with ongoing support and guidance. The book also covers the importance of marketing and franchising. Siebert explains how to market the franchise opportunity to potential franchisees, as well as how to support franchisees in marketing their individual locations. He discusses the role of national and local marketing campaigns, as well as the use of digital marketing strategies to attract customers to franchise locations. Siebert also touches on the importance of brand consistency and how to maintain it across a franchise network. Managing a growing franchise network is another key focus of the book. Siebert offers advice on how to support franchisees, monitor their performance, and ensure that they are adhering to the franchise system. He discusses the importance of maintaining open communication with franchisees and creating a sense of community within the franchise network. Siebert also addresses common challenges that franchisors may face, such as franchisee dissatisfaction or underperformance, and offers strategies for addressing these issues effectively. Throughout the book, Siebert provides real-world examples and case studies of successful franchise systems. These examples illustrate the principles discussed in the book and offer practical insights into the challenges and opportunities of franchising. Whether it's a small business looking to expand regionally or a larger company aiming for national or even international growth, the book provides valuable guidance on how to navigate the complexities of franchising.